Welcome to Kashyap Art, presenting you sketch of Digital Pratik and who is he? Know in his own words.
Before you dive into my story, let me ask you two questions. Have you ever thought that you are directionless and cannot find the right path towards success? And have you ever felt that your life is worthless, questioning your existence and unaware of how to attract a life that you want to live? Let me tell you from my heart, most of us like to think that there is a fast track to fame and fortune. But the secret of success.
My name is Digital Pratik and I help brands stand out from the crowd and connect with their audience using contextual content marketing, which can connect with emotions, and using paid media ads as well. On top of that, I'm also a personal branding practitioner who keeps on putting out daily free content which can help empower audience absolutely for free, obviously, and that too on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, podcast, and many more. So all in all, what I do is I practice marketing strategies and digital branding which works in the now. He also trains professionals and his coaching, mentoring, and consulting programs, but all this didn't happen over the night. All of this started back in the days of 2010. Daily, he learns something new in his life. Daily, he applies that something new which he has learned in his life, and daily he shares that something new which he has learned and applied in his life with other people so that he can empower other people, and in return he can empower himself as well. Most of us like to think that there is a fast track to success, but let me tell you, if you don't have patience, you will fall, and once again you will have to rise. That's how you will get patience. How I changed my destiny and found the direction to success, which I probably still think that it is just 1% of what I actually want to achieve in my life. Hi, I am Pratik Singh Chudasama, and this is the real, true, practical story of yours truly, Digital Pratik. Digital Pratik started his journey with only 300 rupees on his name in the bank account after college dropout. He started with call center jobs in 2010 and started learning digital marketing as a side hustle. Started his first ever YouTube channel in 2014 and has an experience of 700 plus videos, some 6,000 plus snaps, 3,000 plus Instagram posts, 10,000 plus Instagram stories, and much more when it comes to micro pieces of content on Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms. His core focus while he's posting and uploading content on the internet, on digital platform, is to in the first place, bring value to his audience, bring value to his community, and empower them via free content. So I consider myself the luckiest person on planet Earth, and actually I am, because I didn't win any lottery. I don't drive any fancy car. I'm not at all super famous, but what I do have in my mind is the beautiful picture of my wife, my lovely little amazing kids, my super duper severe awesome wale kamine, naughty and funny friends, and a line of work that allows me to spend a little bit of time, which is quality time, whenever I want, with my family and my friends. I'm not here to brag about myself, but to inspire you to never give up on your dreams, but to keep moving forward and forward and forward in your life. I'm just an ordinary guy who always gives his best to do things in an extraordinary way, soon to be 32 years old in 2021, smiling practical dude as always, who has an incredible passion to be able to make full-time income from this digital ocean known as digital marketing. Now, during my drops, I used to do call center jobs, as I mentioned, and meanwhile, as a side hustle, I was also learning and applying SEO, blogging, AdSense, and YouTube SEO, video SEO, a little bit of YouTube, and that's how I got into my first ever digital marketing job. The first ever digital marketing job which I got was just as a digital marketing executive, and it was of 17,000 rupees per month. Meanwhile, I was also putting out free content on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, blogs, Quora, Pinterest, and building my brand and managing freelancing projects too.
At this point in my life, I was almost 27 years old. No job, not able to manage client work, was in financial crisis again, and I had to take care of my parents too. But one thing which I was doing positively was this. I was always listening to Gary Vee.
Promise me that you understand that the land grab of happiness starts right now. That you don't have to worry about getting that job. What you should do is go and travel and learn.
Finally, in July 2018, I quit my position as the product manager at Digital Marketing Institute and went all in for my personal brand and my own digital empire called Digital Pratik.
Go and start that business that you've always wanted. Hook up with those 3 teammates and start that band you've always wanted. This is the time to be massively risk oriented. I know that this is when you're supposed to grow up and go see the world. But guess what? The world isn't what mommy and daddy told you. The world is exactly going to be what it's going to be, with or without the way you thought it was going to be. A ton of shit is going to change. The world changes every goddamn day. Right now, what you need to recognize is you can afford to.
In 2019, I got blue tick verified on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
When you are in your early 20s, this is when you can grind at your highest levels, because there isn't all the fucking baggage that comes across from life. It's harder for the 42-year-olds that are watching right now to listen to this advice. You can't just wake up tomorrow and be like, let's go. Because little Sally has soccer fucking practice. And because you've got a million other things that are holding you down. But boy, if you're lucky enough to be graduating today with not a fucking idea of what you're going to do with your future, nobody's ever been luckier than you. Please recognize it.
Was it easy for me to go from a dropout from engineering to building a personal brand called Digital Pratik? Nope, not at all. There were a lot of sacrifices, but I was patient and persistent in my pursuit. My hard work paid off. Honestly, I have seen days in my life wherein I had just 300 rupees on my name to survive upon. I had locked myself inside my room, crying all alone. I just can't even imagine about that situation. I would never go back into that life, but yes, I would even never ever forget that experience of a very rough patch of my life. After all this, I never ever stopped myself, and I always used to chase my dreams and believe in myself. I got so much into learning, applying and sharing that I was slowly being called as a busy person by a lot of my friends, but in a good way. Thanks to all my friends and my cousins too, who were always there for me in my good and most importantly, my bad times. One word for them, and that is thank you. One quality which I'm proud to have within myself is, no matter what, I have always weared a smile on my face. I always used to wear that smile on my face. Yes, that was the same when I was left with 300 rupees, except while I am alone, because that used to be my only time I could replace my smile with some tears. One thing which I have learned and have got into my blood now is that if I don't have struggles, I don't enjoy my goals. I'm able to enjoy my success and more importantly, the journey in achieving my goals only if I face a hell lot of struggles. Struggles make me stronger than before. So whether you do college, whether you do work, whether you do business, or you don't do anything and take drops from here and there, you will achieve success if you do your own shit. Putting the hard plus smart is equal to more fucking work, and just be consistent. With that being said, this is your personal branding dost, Digital Pratik, signing off. God bless you, stay awesome, and just keep smiling.